Good morning. You're welcome to Mindtech Academy. Okay, I believe we passed the stage of this data sheet, this spreadsheet. Okay, we are currently here. Um, we want to see how we can apply if and concatenation and text join. Okay, so we're going to be applying if and concatenation together, making it a conditional statement. Okay, so we can say if this is this, the other should take place, and so that's the essence of if in particular. So let's try if. So equal to if we have that. Let's say if the shipping country is USA, if the shipping country is say USA, it should return say the name of the the person, last name, product, and category. And then if that is not the case, then um, it should return it should return it should return the other variables. It should return say name, last name, wireless, mouse, electronics, probably the country. Okay. If it's USA, don't need to add the country, just the city. If it's not USA, then you need to add the country, probably Nigeria or whatever. So now, if this cell, they are saying if this cell, because the first row we are calculating for. So we are saying if H2, which is this cell, if H2 is, or when H2 is equal to USA, of course, this is a text, must be in exclamation mark. If this is USA, then if H2 is equal to USA, what should happen when its value is true? If true, you should now bring forward a concatenation of first name C2, comma, a space in between, a comma. Commas are very important in concatenation. B2, another comma. So give me first name, second name, then give me a comma. To get a comma, you do this. This is how you get a comma. So give me a comma, then give me EF, give me E2 product. I want the product that the person bought, which is E2. Give me E2, comma. Then I also want the category, so I need a comma here. So I need like a comma in the output. So to be a comma is written this way. Whatever is text should go in with exclamation marks, a comma, and then okay, this didn't get a comma. For every subject in concatenation, you give it a comma. So this exclamation mark is for this comma that I want to appear the result, while this comma here is the normal function in concatenation separating subject. You could see it all here. So then after this, I want F2, a comma. This is when it is for USA. I need the F2. I think I also need the G2. Right, I need the G2. Okay, I need something first. I need a comma here in the results. So I need the G2 now. G2, a comma. Okay, G2. I think that's all I need if it is USA. If it is not USA, value false. Value if this logical test is false. If it is false, concatenate the whole of this and H2. I don't need to go and start writing it all over again. So if false, concatenate this and an extra value. I want to say if it is not USA, give me the country. This is wrong. Okay, and then we now go. Okay, this needs a comma. The H2. Let's check all the commas complete. I think so. All the commas are complete. It should give us a result. Okay, it's telling us to put okay, we're supposed to have double parentheses. That's Excel telling me that. So it's supposed to have double parentheses. I didn't do that, but that has been fixed. So the only thing that was not in our formula was this brackets, the last bracket. So for every open bracket there should be a closed bracket. This bracket here is open, it didn't close here. Another one opened. This second one that opened closed here. The third one that opened closed here. So this first one has not closed, and that's the reason for the last bracket. So now you have it. So now this first row is USA, so probably there's no country. So when we hit it down, you see, oh, you now see Nigeria, but Los Angeles is not in Nigeria. The data entry is just a dummy file. Okay, it's just a dummy file. This is Los Angeles, it's not in Nigeria. Probably here will be Lagos. If here is now Lagos, it will automatically update here. Okay, and then let's say we have more Nigeria now. Let's say we have we have Abuja, we have Delta, where I come from. Hit it. Then come here, you see the changes. Okay, it's just showing me Delta. You see the changes here, though Delta, but it's also like though Delta like Nigeria. Okay, we didn't change the Nigeria part of it, still USA. So Nigeria. Okay, so it's going to appear here now. It's all updated now, Nigeria, whatever. So when it is not USA, it will appear, it will come with the country. Okay, so that is that. Okay, let me even try Cameroon, or let me try Ghana. I say Kumasi. Hit it. It's going to change. Updated. Kumasi, Ghana. So now that is using if and concatenation. Okay. Now I want to use if and text join. So in this text join, I want every order that has discounts. Discount 10, for example, every order that was giving a 10% discount or a discount 10 inscription like this, I want every order that has discount 10 to appear on a row. Okay, to appear on a row like this. I want to see all the orders with discount 10. Okay, I want to see all the orders with discount 10. So what do I do? So this is how it goes. So equal to others. Told you everything, orders with everything in text that you want to see should come in exclamation mark. Orders with, say, and I'll teach you the essence of this ampersand, but let's apply first. So orders with discount code 10, that is day2. Okay, orders with day2. Okay, and ampersand, then orders with J2, then what do you call the semicolon, right? Instead of just semicolon, we're going to have an open exclamation mark, put the column space, because you wouldn't want the result to just appear as just semicolon join into others with this content. So it needs some space. Okay? So to get that space, you give a space just after a semicolon, and then after the semicolon, you give another ampersand. Ampersand is used to join texts. Okay, join text together. So it operates as a text join too, but text joins are used for more complex tasks like what we are doing now. So text join, we need to state what we are using to delimit statement. So should we ignore if true? Should we ignore if the cells are empty? Yes, so true. And then comma. So now what do? We now bring in our if statement here. So text join if so what logical statement are we bringing forward? If say day2, if absolute, we'll make it an absolute reference. I think I've talked about that. An absolute reference J2. So if you have questions, please drop it in the comment section. J2, if cells, absolute cells J2 to J21 is equal to J2, comma, value if true, comma, okay, logical test. Okay, this is value if true, it should return B. I'm looking for my buttons. Okay, B2. It should return B2 to B21. Okay, that's a mistake. I want B21 to be an absolute reference. So B21. So that is, then if false, coming, if true, that bracket wasn't needed. If false, return with an empty cell. I think there's a need for an extra bracket. Is there anyone that was open? Okay, this was open, it wasn't closed. Okay, so if false, return with an empty whatever. Voila, this is it. So every order with discount 10, as you can see, is so order 1, order 001 has a discount 10, order 1005 has a discount 10, 1009 the same, 1013 the same. Okay, 1005 does it? It has. So if you manually check it, you see we are correct. So this is this. So we've been able to use concat and if, text join and if. So now I made these extra columns to teach you, or to teach us how to use, or the efficiency of ampersand. Okay? The ampersand can be used instead of concatenation in some cases, not all cases. So in this case, we could say others, exclamation marks, others, that's ORD, right? ORD. So others ORD, which is in B2, we say others ampersand comes in first. Ampersand. Then again, after that ampersand, we go, okay, that's by John Smith. By John Smith. Okay. Others by John Smith, that is by, I'm looking for my keys. by John Smith, that will be C2. An ampersand must come before every cell. C2, then a space. Ampersand comes first, D2, an ampersand again. Then is for wireless device. Remember we did the first with concatenation, so we are doing this with ampersand. Is for say E2. Where are we having errors? Others, B2 by John is for E2. This is where the issue is. There is no ampersand here, so we're able to resolve that, so that's good. So, but is there any text joining? Okay, I think there's no space here. There wasn't a space there, so we create a space before that, and then it's all good now. So we hit this down. So we could also use ampersand to generate special codes for staffs of an organization. Okay, we could use special codes for that, and if I want to do that, that's why I created these extra columns. Okay, so I want to create special codes, say special code or registration number, or just maybe math number for students or something. Where I'll do that will be equal to A2, then the ampersand A2, then I can say, okay, I can use their year of entry or something and say A2. I can say other date. I can say another ampersand, year of entry. I use another ampersand, HRN, and then voila. So this is their new batch number or code or registration code, as the case may be. I hit this down, and you have just generated special codes for everybody that works in different departments in the company. So that's it. With this, I believe you should have a good grasp of the use of TEXTJOIN concatenation and constituents like ampersand. Will bring up more advanced lecture on concatenation and TEXTJOIN to solve real world problems in our future lectures. Kindly like and follow our class, Mindtech Academy. Yeah, thank you.